Hi everyone, it's Mark Fernandez here with another video, and today we're looking at the XTM rear awning, and it's their new product. It hasn't been around for a while. They have had a side awning for quite some time, but they haven't had a rear one. So this is what interested me, because I am trying to get some protection over the back, which is where I will be organizing myself when I pull up to camp. So it's 1.4 meters by 2 meters. So the 1.4 meter measurement is from side to side, and the 2 meters is how far it'll stretch out. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll do an unboxing, a little bit of point of view, and I've got another camera angle set up here as well, just so that we can get the best view for you guys. So let's get stuck into it. Now I will put some of the information up on the screen for you guys. So if you are interested in purchasing this, you can. I'll put up the price, and I'll also put up some of the dimensions and some of the features as well, so you guys can have a bit of a look at that if you like. No, it's a bit neater than I thought it was going to be. I thought it might have things everywhere, but so far looks pretty tidy, and it comes with a nice little bag for the hardware. I was not expecting that. Let's have a look and see what's inside of here, because this is obviously the awning section. Guess we'll have a look at that first. So from first impressions, it looks, the bag is quite thick. The zips look pretty heavy duty as well. That's always one thing I'm looking for in anything that's got zips, backpacks especially, and other equipment as well, is that it's got a pretty solid zip and a nice big zipper there, which will help. So let's have a look and see what we've got in here, if there's anything. It's got some basic instructions there. So that's all tied into it, and those look like they're just the instructions. So we'll have a look at that as well once I've flipped everything around so we can see it. And in here, I'm assuming the hardware would be here. Yep, so we've got our brackets to mount it, looks like, and just some ropes for at the camp there. Not sure what else we'll get with it, but let's pull it out and have a bit of a look. Okay, so this is what I'm most interested in at the moment. This is all the contents that came with the box. I'm not sure what everything does here. I'm assuming this is to pin down the awning, that as well. Probably just some ropes to help secure it once you're pulled up to camp. So I'll leave those off to the side. What I'm most interested in at the moment are these mounting brackets, because however we mount this to the Rhino racks that I've got, we're going to have to make sure we are using good quality products. If we don't, then we're going to see things like rust appearing, and that's not very good. So the outside of these look good. They first impressions are, I can't see any real bare metal. We'll see how tough this coating is after we start screwing in these bolts. Hopefully it doesn't take off too much of the paint, and the paint is pretty hard wearing. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't take up too much of the paint and doesn't reveal too much of the steel, so we don't get any rusting. But we'll see. That will be the install video that we'll do. That will be the next one that we do, so that'll be good. So that's the brackets that will be mounting, and these are the bolts that we'll be looking at as well. We'll be using those to install them. So we'll see that, as you know, just like my other video that I did on the driving lights, the quality seems pretty good. I can't really complain. You know, the bolts look nice, the mounting hardware looks good. I'll be doing a 3-month update video on the driving lights just to show you guys how it all looks 3 months later to see if it's holding up, because it's been pretty much outside in the elements for 3 months. So I think you guys might be interested in seeing that video too. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that came with it. Not a lot. So we got the awning, we've got the brackets, we've got the bolts to mount it up, and we got some pegs and that too. So, and a nice little case as well that it came in. So I'm sure that we could use it for this, or we could repurpose it for something else, because it's actually quite a nice little case that it came with, and it looks like it's the same material as what they used on the awning as well, which is pretty nice too. So yeah, well done XTM. It looks good so far. We'll see how it goes when we install it. If you guys have any questions about the XTM awning that we've got so far, just go ahead and put them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer them. And besides that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. So I'll be doing an install video of this shortly. I thought you guys might have wanted a little bit of a point of view unboxing just to see exactly what it came with. So because it is a new product, so I'm sure a few people out there will be looking at this as a real option, so they can get it from BCF instead of having to wait for months from people getting them overseas and whatnot. So we can yeah, we'll see how these go when we mount them up in our next video. And apart from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.